In the grand tapestry of existence, where the dance of creation and innovation unfolds, there is a symphony of technology that sings a unique melody. This melody is the song of XYZMaximizer 3D printers. Imagine, if you will, a realm where the tangible and the intangible dance in a harmonious ballet. The CBR 300 IDEX and CBR 600 IDEX models, with their independent dual extruders, are the maestros of this ballet, conducting a symphony of multi-material or multicolor printing, duplication, and mirror modes. Then there is the CBR 300 Core XZ model, a humble yet powerful performer offering an affordable single extruder solution. It is a testament to the belief that the power of creation should be accessible to all. The design of these printers is a reflection of the harmony of efficiency and creativity. They use only what they need, ensuring that not a single note of material is wasted. In dual color or dual material mode, the CBR 300 IDEX and CBR 600 IDEX models perform their symphony up to 5 times faster, and with 5 to 10 times more cost effectiveness than their counterparts, using 6 to 10 times less filament. All XYZMaximizer printers come pre-assembled, ready to perform their symphony out of the box. With a 5 inches touchscreen, Wi-Fi and wired network support, and web and mobile interfaces, they are the maestros ready to conduct in any environment, fitting comfortably on a standard desk. These printers are versatile performers, working with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, TPU, PTG, ASA, ABS, and polycarbonate. They feature heated beds up to 110 degrees Celsius and hotends up to 300 degrees Celsius, powered by state-of-the-art mosquito hotends from Slice Engineering and tungsten carbide nozzles. XYZMaximizer printers are open source and use off-the-shelf components, fostering a collaborative and innovative community. Powered by Raspberry Pi and running on the open source Clipper firmware, those machines are a harmonious blend of hardware and software, a testament to the symphony of human innovation.